Hello and welcome back, guys. We have a interesting situation here. A couple of weeks ago, we had a customer sending in an Oculus Rift cable for repair. We repaired on the VR for Sony, right? You can repair those. Those are wires. But on these motherfuckers, they decided that it's a good idea to put fiber optic in a wire that sits around the chair, or that everybody that is using it can step on it and can rack that fiber right up. I mean, I don't know how or why would you do this, or what's the reasoning behind it. I would really like you to tell me, because I can't see any reasoning behind doing something like this other than being a throwaway thing. Like, look at those wires, look how thin they are, and those are not wires. I was amazed. That's fiber link, fiber wire. It's glass. It's some sort of a plasticky glass. That's not, you can bend this at a straight angle, or look here, I think I'm testing for it. So it only curves, it's not bending at a 90 degree angle. So when I saw this, I was like, I called the customer and I was like, dude, this is just, I can't fix this shit. And he told me to send it back, and he sent it actually to some guys that could solder fiber wire this thin. And this is the picture that he sent me back. So look at that. Yeah, that is what those guys had to go through to solder together like 3 or 4 wires, however many those were. But still, the question remains, why the fuck would you do something like that? I mean, like, it's crazy. And the guy couldn't buy a new cable because they don't sell it anymore. And it's just like, what do you do next? The device is working perfectly. He stepped on the cable with the chair. I mean, he rode over it with a chair, but it's just the idea. I mean, why couldn't you use wires, or I don't know, some other methods, but not fiber wire? And even if the repair the guys did, it's gonna function. I let the guy know I asked the guy to tell me if it's gonna function or not. But even if it's gonna be functional and working, I don't know how much it's gonna last, because he's gonna have a box near him, and as soon as he steps on the box, or he just can't be, he always have to be prudent, and it's just weird. I don't know. If any of you knows the reasoning why they had to do this, just let me know in the comments. And as always, if you wanna see future videos, hit the like button and the bell notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.